goal is to make it through the workout, get in, get out of the building without having to make a special trip afterwards to any sort of doctor-related facility.
Because last time we went to this exact place, we didn't get a workout in at all. I did 10 reps of some bicep curls with a 25-pound plate, wah. And then we promptly went to the emergency room where I was admitted into urgent care for a little overnighter for vertebral aortic dissection.
What?
It's a mouthful. It's also extremely painful in your head and also can make you have a stroke. I passed on the stroke part. I just took the pain and I was like, I'm gonna not do the side of stroke, please, thank you. So yeah, we're gonna get on the treadmill for a good long time and we are gonna walk.
For a little while.
That's it. That's all she wrote.
That's it. Simple.
And then we're gonna go home and sleep in our own bed instead of a hospital bed, because that sounds like super keen.
Or a chair in the hospital.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
My bed was not that comfortable, but it was more comfortable than his chair. But I did have some drugs. I'm gonna not have any drugs tonight. I'm gonna go drug free. So when you have been put on restriction by your doctor, as I have, what do you do? My restriction is 5-pound limit. So there's a lot of things I can't do with that, right? But instead of thinking about all the things that I can't do, I want to think about the things that I can do. So I can do low intensity, steady state cardio. So this is a great opportunity for me to focus on my cardio, which hasn't been my primary focus in the past because I haven't enjoyed it as much as I've enjoyed my weight training. So now I kind of don't have a choice. Guess what I'm going to be enjoying? Cardio! Oh my gosh, the sunset is so pretty, you guys. Check this out. Oh, it's so pretty. Hello, Blaine.
Hi. Hey.
Hi, hello.
How are you?
How you doing?
Good.
Anyways, just something to focus on. Like, there's so many things that you can do. You can now take a little bit of time to really focus on your nutrition and making sure that you're drinking enough water and that you're getting enough greens and that you're getting all of your vitamins. I mean, we all, in our fitness, most of us are so like hell-bent on our macros and our calories that we kind of neglect some of those micronutrients. So maybe this is a really great opportunity to really focus on some of those micronutrients, because those micronutrients are really gonna help speed up recovery. When I had my back surgery, my back surgeon had formulated a protein shake specifically for bone growth. The whole point with a back surgery is that they were going to fuse together, and that means the bones have to grow together. So he had formulated this really specialized protein drink just to encourage that bone fusion and that bone growth and development. So what are some really great micronutrients that I can start taking in that will really help to expedite and speed up my healing process? So there's so many things that you can focus on.
Time change tonight.
That'll be great. It'll be lighter at night, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
So tonight at the gym, we are gonna focus on not getting hit by a car. Good job, babe. He tries to kill me all the time. You have no idea what I have to put up with. We're gonna focus on some steady state cardio. And why not? I mean, it's a great thing to focus on. Also, my doctor told me that I can't do anything else. So it's a win-win-win situation. Focus on something different. So there's so many things that make up your overall health. So if you can't focus on weightlifting and building muscle right now because you've been put on restriction by your doctor, then focus on something different. Pick something new that you haven't maybe focused on before. I feel like possibly something that I might want to focus on is flexibility. So I was always quite flexible, and that hasn't been a big focus for me. And so I thought that might be something fun. Thank you. I thought that might be something fun to focus on, is my flexibility over the next at least 4 weeks until I can possibly get taken off restriction by my doctor. This is a great time to make sure that you're giving your body what it needs to heal whatever the restriction is. So one great way to heal is to make sure that your body is super duper hydrated. So I use this as my favorite water bottle. I have a bigger one that I actually would love to use more because it holds 46 or 48 ounces of water, which is amazing, but it doesn't fit in my car's cup holder. And this does. So this holds 24. I try to do 4 of these a day. And I track it on MyFitnessPal right now, but so I want to take some time to just really make a focus on water. Another good thing about having water when you're on some sort of restriction from your doctor is sometimes that restriction has come with medication. And, you know, medication can just really mess with you if you're taking some type of narcotic or anything that kind of is slowing down your system. It's going to slow down your system. And by system, I mean the digestive system. So you want to really make sure that you're staying really hydrated so that you don't get uncomfortable from having a slow digestive system. So water, water, water. Follow your doctor's orders. I know that sounds like a no-brainer, but you would not believe how tempted I have been, and it has been all of 3 or 4 days, to not follow my doctor's orders because I just want to get back into like my old fitness routine. I want to be able to lift weights. I want to be able to feel the same way that I was feeling and keep that progress. But do what your doctor said. If he gave you something, he wasn't BSing you. Like, there's a reason why he did that. So don't push it when your doctor says 5 pound max. Guess what, friends? It's a 5 pound max.